Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fakhrul Sajib. This is Java Tutorial 8. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use arithmetic operator in Java. Arithmetic operators are used to perform common mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's see. Suppose I am declaring two variable int x equal 21, another variable int y equal 10. Data type variable name value. Now I want to add these two numbers 21 and 10. I can print this sut tab x plus y. It will be 31. 31. Now subtraction sut tab x minus y. That will be 11. Run this one. 11. Now multiplication SOUT tab, then x multiply is star sign, y it will be 210. Run the project. 210 210. Now take the division SOUT tab x division y, that will be 2. Suppose I want to see the remainder, then how will I do it? SOUT tab x percentage sign y to get the remainder of x and y. It will be 1. Let's check. 1. To make it more clear, I am giving message addition of x and y equal to first giving the bracket sign. You have to give plus sign before, as it will be counted as variable. Okay, addition, then subtraction of x and y, subtraction x and y equal to first giving the bracket sign, then you have to give the plus 2. Then it will work. You have to give the plus sign, otherwise you will get error. See, you have to give the plus sign to get the output of above variable result. multiplication of x and y equal to, first give the bracket sign, then plus, no error now, division of x and y, the bracket, then give the plus sign. Now to the message remainder of x and y, remainder of x and y, now I will run the project. So the addition of x and y 31, subtraction of x and y 11, multiplication of x and y 210, 210, and give equal sign here. Division on x and y equal to 2, and remainder of x and y is 1. If you want to check this remainder, 10 and 21, I am dividing 21 divided by 10, 10 2, that is 10 multiplication to 20, quotient, and remainder 1. This one is remainder. Result of the division. I hope you understand how to use arithmetic operators. In the next tutorial, we will talk about pre-increment and post-increment in Java. That's all for today. If you want to learn more about Java, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Stay safe.